Most consent solutions give you a default look, and that is it. Consent Pro gives you full control. It lives natively inside Webflow Designer. Every element fully yours to style. We are using the Wealth Bento cloneable for this video. Free to grab, link is in the description. We are going to style the Consent Pro banner to match it from scratch. We generate the banner straight from the Consent Pro app inside the designer. Animation, timing, behavior, all configured before it even hits the canvas. And because Consent Pro lives natively in Webflow, every element is right here in the designer, ready to work with. So we reshape the layout, adjust the spacing, and make the buttons feel like they belong to the site. The cookie icon gets the full treatment too. Padding, border radius, brand color, even the preferences panel. Typography, spacing, colors, all yours to control. The banner is styled to match the site. All that is left is to publish and see it live. Full designer capabilities, no compromises. That is Consent Pro. You can install Consent Pro in the Webflow apps marketplace. The links are in the description below. Visit consentpro.com and start building your own brand-perfect banner.